but I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't, it's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you act, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you? Keep on talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving, you can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed. Undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down. Oh, I know you won't let me down. You won't let me down. Let me do things to you, making sure you won't forget about me. Keep on talking to me, don't you leave me by myself. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. I've been searching all day long, try to be the perfect one. You're holding me without no touch, you don't need chains to hold me back. Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words slipping on, they give me nothing back. But it's love, I can't tell you how. I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls, you break break them down, break them down. Oh, every time I go, brings back your love, back your love. Thought I could let you go, be free. If you find someone, leave me be. I loved you without no doubts, but I need love to stay alive. Light it up, I can't speak your mind. My words slipping on, they give you nothing back. What is love? I can't tell you how. I'm caught up in your thoughts tonight. See, I've been building walls, you break them down, break them down. Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I know just what you are. Seems like you're type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for the night. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play. I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play. I don't love you anyway. I don't love you anyway. Stay low, swing high, move me across the floor.